wert thou to attain to but a dewdrop of the crystal waters of divine knowledge, but a dewdrop of the crystal waters of divine knowledge, but a dewdrop of the crystal waters of divine knowledge. Thou wouldst readily realize that true life is not the life of the flesh, but the life of the spirit. For the life of the flesh is common to both men and animals, whereas the life of the spirit is possessed only by the pure in heart, who have quaffed from the ocean of faith and partaken of the fruit of certitude. This life knoweth no death, and this existence is crowned by immortality. This life knoweth no death, and this existence is crowned by immortality. This life knoweth no death, and this existence is crowned by immortality. Wert thou to attain to but a dewdrop of the crystal waters of divine knowledge, thou wouldst readily realize that true life is not the life of the flesh, but the life of the spirit. For the life of the flesh is common to both men and animals, whereas the life of the spirit is possessed only by the pure in heart, who have quaffed from the ocean of faith and partaken of the fruit of certitude. By the pure in heart, who have quaffed from the ocean of faith and partaken of the fruit of certitude. By the pure in heart, who have quaffed from the ocean of faith and partaken of the fruit of certitude. By the pure in heart, who have quaffed from the ocean of faith and partaken of the fruit of certitude.